Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about high sales, low clicks. Here's what you're missing on Amazon. Let's get into it. If your Amazon PPC campaign is generating strong sales, but very few clicks, there's a critical issue that needs to be addressed. Many sellers assume that a high conversion rate means everything is working perfectly, but if your click-through rate is low, you're missing out on significant sales potential. Today, we'll discuss why this happens and how to fix it. When a product has a 30% conversion rate but only a 1% click-through rate, it tells us that the product itself is attractive to those who land on the listing, but not enough people are clicking in the first place. The first place to look is the main image. Your main image is the first thing shoppers see, and if it doesn't stand out among competitors, your ad won't get the attention it needs. Investing in high-quality product photography and testing different image styles can help increase clicks immediately. Next, pricing plays a major role in whether a shopper chooses to click on your ad. If your price is slightly higher than competitors and your product doesn't clearly offer additional value, potential buyers might scroll past. A/B testing different price points or using coupons and discounts can help improve click-through rates. Another important factor is keyword targeting. If your ads are being triggered by broad or irrelevant search terms, they might not be reaching the right audience. Analyzing your search term report can help you identify keywords that are driving impressions but not clicks. Eliminating or refining these keywords ensures that your ads are shown to the most relevant shoppers. Title structure is also crucial. If your title isn't clear, engaging, and informative, shoppers may not find your product compelling enough to click. Ensuring that key selling points are highlighted early in the title can make a difference in attracting attention. Beyond these optimizations, consider your ad targeting. If your campaign isn't reaching the right audience, your click-through rate will remain low. Adjusting your audience segments and experimenting with different bidding strategies can help bring in more engaged shoppers. Finally, if all sales are coming from PPC and organic rankings aren't improving, it's time to focus on SEO. A well-optimized listing with strong back-end keywords, compelling bullet points, and high-quality A+ content will drive long-term organic growth. By improving your main image, adjusting pricing, refining keyword targeting, optimizing your title, and strengthening your listing's SEO, you can increase click-through rates, boost traffic, and maximize sales. If you're ready to optimize your Amazon PPC strategy, reach out to our team today. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.